Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add Instagram account on Facebook. So go to the menu page, scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Then you are going to go to settings. After that, you are going to go to account center under Meta. Then you're going to select set up account center. And then you're going to select continue if this is your Instagram, and then select continue to connect the Instagram to your Facebook account, and then select add. Select continue again, continue, yes, finish setup. Oh, okay, not now then. Okay. And now your Instagram account will be added to your Facebook. You can manage the connected experiences here, but that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!